In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their target audience and promote their products or services. However, with so many competitors vying for attention on these platforms, it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd. If you find yourself struggling to beat the competition in social media advertising, fear not. In this article, we will share 7 effective hacks that will give you an edge and help you achieve success. Utilize influencer marketing. One of the most potent strategies in social media advertising is collaborating with influencers who have a large following within your target market. By partnering with influencers relevant to your industry or niche, you can tap into their engaged audience and gain exposure for your brand. This approach not only increases brand awareness but also builds credibility and trust among potential customers. Leverage user-generated content. People trust recommendations from their peers more than traditional advertisements. Encourage your followers to create content featuring your product or service and share it on social media using branded hashtags or tags. This user-generated content serves as authentic testimonials that showcase how others are enjoying your offerings while fostering a sense of community around your brand. Run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves freebies. Running contests or giveaways on social media is an excellent way to engage with your audience while expanding reach organically. Require participants to like, share, comment, or tag friends in order to enter the contest. This helps increase visibility by tapping into participants' networks as well. Optimize ad copy. Crafting compelling ad copy is crucial for capturing users' attention amidst all the noise on social media platforms such as Facebook or Instagram. Use emotional objectives when describing readers' problems, whether it's feeling overwhelmed by competition or struggling to get noticed, and offer unique rationales that demonstrate what they will gain by implementing the hacks shared in this article. By focusing on their pain points and providing solutions, you can create a sense of urgency and drive action. Leverage retargeting. Retargeting is a powerful technique that allows you to re-engage with users who have already shown interest in your brand or visited your website. By placing tracking pixels on your website, you can target these warm leads with tailored ads across various social media platforms. This strategy helps keep your brand top of mind for potential customers and increases the likelihood of conversion. Use video content. Video content has skyrocketed in popularity over recent years, dominating social media feeds across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Incorporating video into your social media advertising strategy is essential for capturing attention and conveying information effectively. Whether it's creating short explainer videos or behind-the-scenes glimpses into your business, video content engages viewers more than static images or text-based posts. Analyze data and optimize. To stay ahead of the competition in social media advertising, it's crucial to analyze data regularly and optimize accordingly. Utilize analytics tools provided by each platform to track key performance indicators, KPIs, such as engagement rate, click-through rate, center, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. This data-driven approach enables you to identify what works best for your audience, refine targeting strategies, adjust ad copy or visuals if necessary, and ultimately improve campaign performance. In conclusion, social media advertising presents immense opportunities for businesses to beat the competition when executed strategically using these 7 hacks. Influencer marketing collaborations, leveraging user-generated content, running contests, giveaways, optimizing ad copy with emotional objectives, retargeting warm leads, incorporating video content, analyzing data regularly for optimization purposes. By implementing these tactics into your social media advertising efforts, whether you're a small startup trying to gain traction or an established brand aiming to stay ahead, you can effectively beat the competition, increase brand visibility, and drive meaningful results for your business. So go ahead, put these hacks into action and watch your social media advertising soar.